Hey dolls, this is gonna be my current favorites. I'm not gonna call it winter, I'm not gonna call it December favorites, it's just my current favorites, like whatever. And I have a lot. So we are going to start with, I don't even have it here because I've got to restock. So like after this video, I'm actually gonna go to the store to get it. But it's fine, whatever. First one that I'm mentioning is the tea by Celestial Celestial Seasonings. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know what it's called, but you know, like the Celestial teas. And the Nutcracker sweet one is like my favorite. It's what I have for like my afternoon tea / snack, but I'm fancy and I like to call it afternoon tea. Okay, so moving on from that, but we'll like go in categories. Okay, so we're on food and drinks. Okay, so second, I love tea, guys. I love coffee and tea, but like the variety of teas I like is insane. My favorite is the Kuzmi Tea BB Detox, and this one's like grapefruit green tea by the English side. Yeah, green tea, rosehip seeds, mate, rooibos, fennel, mint, grapefruit, guarana seeds, and dandelion. And I steep this. It's in one of my it's in what I eat a day video, but I steep this for like 20-30 minutes. And then I put my other current favorite, I put ice in it after a bit. And then I take my Arbonne Fizz stick, and this is the blood orange one. And I mix those and make my little bubbly fizz drink, which I also drink kind of in the afternoons too. It's just something fun to like spice up my water intake, and it's like delicious. And then, oh, also these things are like packed, like these are like energy fizz sticks or whatever, so I don't have them like at night, but these are like packed with vitamins. Like this is honestly like my multivitamin. I don't know if that is what it should, I'm not a doctor, so like don't necessarily, but like that's what I do, because it's just filled with freaking vitamins. Favorite, Simply Inulin by Ingrid Delamar Kinney. Love this. It's organic artichoke root, yeah, from Monaco. And then her Simply the Best Ras El Hanout spice, and it's just in this gorgeous little vial with the pink, and it's just so girly, and I love it. It's beautiful, beautiful packaging. I wish all my spices had pink packaging. Next on my favorite food type things is these Smart Sweets peach rings. These are freaking delicious. I mean, like the fact that they're candy and that they like have like they're like fiber, and I love the ingredients. And these are kind of like, they're like candy, and I don't know how to like describe it. Like they're kind of like gummy. So, and I like really like chewy, like almost like candy jerky. Like here's an example. I like Twizzlers if I've left the package open for like a week and they're like so hard to chew and it like kind of hurts your jaw. That's what I'm into whenever it comes to candy. So I put these in the fridge and keep these in the fridge. So whenever I eat them, they're like really hard and chewy. And then like it takes you longer to eat them. So then you can just enjoy and savor them for even more time. So next, y'all know, you already know that there's gonna be like a bunch of skincare. But like, duh, what do you expect? It's me. Okay, Orgaid organic sheet masks are like literally my favorite thing ever. The anti-aging ones are like my absolute favorite. Well, they were my favorite for years. And then they were so kind to send me the others to try. And the vitamin C sheet mask is like my new favorite. I love it. It's so good. Like these, I don't know if it's like sensitive skin. I have like reactive skin to some things, and this one's just like actually like really gentle, and this is like the only sheet mask that like I put on and like instantly see results with. Boom. Since we're talking about vitamin C, let's just keep it rolling. Tatcha Violet C Brightening Serum. I love this. Again, I've always kind of struggled with like sensitivity to specifically like citrus and stuff, so vitamin C's sometimes can be like too strong for my skin, but this one's actually like very gentle and like super like brightening, and like I really love this one. I really am so happy I found The Ordinary. All of their products are like less than $10 or just like slightly more depending on the thing, but I rosehip seed oil is like my first love. I love this, and I go, oh my gosh, it's just so great. This is like, so The Ordinary's rose oil is like, yes, ride or die. Mwah. I think these are called Tinkle razors. I got a bunch of them for like $2 off Amazon, and I basically dermaplane at home. And I say dermaplane because like that's basically what I just call it, and that, but I think technically it's not, because I hate being like, oh, I'm shaving my face. Like, I mean, I guess technically, but like, no. So this one's gorgeous in pink, and they come in little pastel colors, and they've got this little guard. And so I think the reason, based on my own research, I'm not a professional esthetician, they use like a specific medical grade scalpel on your face, but basically like it gets rid of the hair and like the dead layer of skin on the top of your skin. And so like it's like essentially, but I think the technique and like the actual tools are different. That's why it's not technically dermaplaning. But this is what I do at home. The first time I did it, I think I was way too rough. So you just very gently use this bad boy. And then you've got like baby soft skin. I think I've talked a little bit about it, but like I have like randomly like weird lips for whatever reason. A few years ago, they just started like freaking out, and they would be like really dry or like an excess of like skin, and I just always pick at them. But I went to the dermatologist, did some trial and error stuff, and then I found a really good dermatologist who did, found a good dermatologist who did allergy testing on me, and it turns out that the stuff I was putting on my lips was the cause of my bad reaction. Like they didn't hurt, like I was just like, what the heck. But anyways, my favorite is this Dr. Lip Organic Nipple Balm, but it's like, it's for like, it's just like vegan like lanolin, and it's called Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm, so you can use it for your nipples or your lips or like any dry spot. But like this I've used for years actually, but this is one of my favorites, and it's got gorgeous pretty little packaging. So love me some Dr. Lip. My favorite nail polish at the moment, and I mean this has been one of my favorites off and on for years, like I love pinkies and I love pinks and reds and stuff, but Mod About You, this one's actually almost out. This is what I have on my nails right now. So yeah, Mod About You, got that Barbie pink. All right, still kind of like skincare, beauty, self-care, self-love type of things. This one I try to stock up on every year. This is the Lush Snow Fairy Shower Gel. Invite a little magic into your shower with this candy scented sparkler. Yeah, no, it smells like candy. I love Lush, I love all their ingredients. My other like year-round one that you can get is called Sleepy. It's like the lavender one, but honestly, Lush, can you guys make a lotion out of Snow Fairy? Like, honestly, we need that in lotion form too. Y'all know I love my fake tan. And I found this by like, you know, like you were talking about something out loud on your, like near your phone or something. And then it was like, oh, here's an ad, like you'll like this. And it's like, thank you. But anyways, sometimes it turns out to be like great and not creepy, right? So I found, probably through Instagram or something, this Mind Tan Salon Professional formula, and they have like this unique line of self-tanners with color-based tans. I got the violet. They have like this cute little quiz on there and everything that's like what your skin tone is naturally, and like if you're in the sun a lot or not, and like what color your hair is, and so they can like suggest to you what would be best. And I really, for whatever reason, I don't know if, I think purple is like a cool tone, but I like cool tones. Like I like to be tan, but like I don't like the orangey, I don't know. So I got the super dark violet, and this stuff is like, it's obviously what I'm wearing right now, but I love this. I want to try the blue black one too, because like cool dark, like cool and dark tones, love. But yeah, this is like amazing, and you just use it like any other self-tanning mousse, like get the mint and everything, but love the violet. Another one of my favorites is the Glam Me Up lashes. It's what I have on right now. These are called Reina. And seriously, like, this is all I wear anymore. These are like magnificent. Freaking like unreal. And guys, I've had these for months. And I even like, I reuse lashes all the time. But I've had these for months, and I've even peeled off like the excess like glue after I use it a couple of times, and they have not fallen apart at all. Like, the girl that makes these, she's on Instagram and YouTube. I've watched her little YouTube for like years, and she created her own lash line, and seriously, these are the best quality lashes like ever. So this is what you see, this is what you see me in like all the time, like absolutely obsessed. Anyways, great quality, amazing products, Tanya. Okay, I am all about comfort and stuff, and these are kind of worn out, but like literally my favorite pajamas currently, I have another pair too, but they're dirty right now. These Pretty Little Thing pajamas, I'm very specific in how I need to sleep and like what pajamas. And these high-waisted little booty shorts and this like loose-fitting crop top that's like not uptight on your neck. These things are so comfortable and perfect, and these are like, I love these pajamas so much right now. Good job, Pretty Little Thing. Pretty Little Thing. For the next favorite, I'm like a little old granny, you know? I love me some books and tea. Let's not judge me for the fact that it is December and I'm still getting through this book, but I mean, it was a big one. So I am almost done, but Hocus Pocus, I'm on the all new sequel part, and this thing is so good. I think it was like literally, the sequel was written like, I want to say 2017, don't quote me. Whatever, it was written recently, within the past few years, and it is so good, modern, up to date, like, love it. But I'm almost done, finally. And speaking of being a granny, my other favorites, I'm gonna do like the Kindle app on my phone and iPad I have. I love these little like granny novellas. They are these little murder mystery, they're not even murder, they're like literally these mystery books for little old ladies, and I love it. It's called the Markham Sisters Mysteries or something, and I found it like through Pinterest or something, and they're literally 99 cents, and it takes you like 2 hours to read through a whole thing, right? And yeah, the Markham Sister Mysteries are my favorite little granny novel things right now. And my favorite audiobook right now is French Women Don't Get Fat and French Women Don't Get Facelifts. Love the French lifestyle, you guys know this, but seriously, those are some great books that everyone, like, it just helps you have like a healthy relationship and understanding with food, and realize that you don't have to like fall, like every single body is different, so like what works for someone might not work for another person. Like, I understand that not everyone can be like plant-based and eat only fish as like an animal product like I do, but like it just helps you like realize that you don't have to just fit into like this mold. You can do whatever the heck you want. And then the two podcasts that I would recommend that are my absolute favorites are The Skinny Confidential and Pardon My French by Ingrid Delamarqueni. Like, yeah, everyone just needs those in their life. There's something in there for everyone, I think. So that concludes my favorites. I really hate plugging myself, but Carter tells me I need to. But also, I think that like it's kind of helpful, because not that like if I want to subscribe to you, I'm gonna subscribe, but sometimes I forget how important it is to like a video. So whenever I hear people be like and subscribe, I'm like, oh crap, I need to like their video to like help support them. So I don't know, be a doll, like and subscribe, become part of that doll family, you know? All right, I'll see you later. Bye.